Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Flash's emblem from the Flash movie that's coming out next year. First, you'll need a bit of cardboard, preferably cereal box cardboard, mainly because it's very thin and you can move it around a bit, so you can have it in a dome shape or whatever you feel like. Next, you'll need a bit of super glue, and of course, a bit of paint to color. And finally, you'll need magnets, basically the craft ones you can buy from the stores. That way you don't have to go through a whole lot of hassle just trying to buy them from Amazon or whatever site that you buy magnets from. First, you'll need to cut out 2 circles, and you can do whatever you feel like. Then you can basically whatever size that you feel like. 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, even your whole chest. It really depends on whatever you feel like. Then you can cut out a lightning bolt. You can do kit flash style or reverse flash style, or whatever speedster you'd like to use. Next, you need to cut a hollow circle the same size as the circles that you cut out earlier. The 2 circles you cut out first, fit a magnet between them and glue this magnet inside. That way it can attach to any cosplay outfit, or you can just have it for display. Then find the other magnet and make them attract each other. And finally, you're done with your Flash emblem. So basically, now also for design purposes, like I said, I use a bit of paint, but then I decided to use markers, metallic markers. Basically, it will shine a little bit better rather than just paint, which makes it look, I don't know, you can say generic. So I just decided to make it look a bit more professional, so I just added a bit of metallic markers and things like that. Now the best tip for when you're painting is paint like a small layer and wait as it dry as you go. That would be a whole lot easier and be a bit more smooth and things like that. That way you won't end up with maybe one bit of paint up here then one bit of paint down there. And for the lightning bolt, I advise you to use a very small paintbrush. That way it'll be easier to paint the lightning bolt rather than trying to make sure that it doesn't fall out into the outer circle. And other than that, guys, I guess I'll see you guys next time, and peace out. Just joking. Also, you can add LEDs in between. All you have to do is make the emblem a bit thicker. I was thinking of LEDs mainly because, you know, the tachyon device from the CW Flash show, basically used the Harry Wells decided to use a tachyon device and put it under his emblem. So if you can do that, or you can add the big one, you can just do the same mechanism, just make sure you have the brackets and everything directly attached to your outfit, and you can just have it like that, and you can make it light up. You can have LEDs around it, so it'll be like it's accelerating the speed force in your cells. But yeah, basically just adding little simple tips. So now I advise you to use thin magnets, and you can use multiple magnets around the emblem. That would be a whole lot easier and won't just stick at one point, because a lot of problems I had with this magnet, with these magnets, mainly because I had the space in mine, I only had one in and then one outside, so now it sticks to one point instead of multiple points, which makes it a bit more, well, easier to basically easier to fit onto your outfit or emblem or whatever display you try to decide. Or basically whatever outfit you decide to use. But I advise you just use a bit more magnets than just one on the inside. One of these days I might make another emblem and show you guys how to make it, because I have always found ways to make new and improved things by looking at past projects. So now you can just run around and have edits, or you can add tachyon devices if you choose. But also, if you've noticed from other villains and things like that, you don't actually have to add the circle. You can just make like a giant lightning bolt and have it across the chest, just like Savitar or Godspeed or the Rival, for example. So yeah, you can do things like that instead of just having to cut out a circle, and you can just glue it to your outfit. That way you don't have to do all that to do these things. But other than that, see you guys next time in the next video, and peace out. For real this time.